What happens when there is a diphthong? In other words, when there are two vowels present in a syllable or a word. I'll give you an example. In the word hey. Now, when you listen to that initially, what do you think the vowel is? Hey. Now listen carefully, there's actually more than one vowel. Hey. All right, it actually starts on a sort of more of a ah or a e kind of sound, and then it moves into an e. So what we need to do in this kind of situation is we want to stay as open for as long as possible on the open wide vowel, the ah, right? And then you want to just quickly clip off on the end on the narrow vowel. I'll show you what I mean. So, for example, if we were singing hey on this, right, instead of going hey, you know, and closing it off, that's not conducive to great belting. I'm going to try now to stay as open for as long as possible on the ah, okay, like this. Hey, hey, hey. You see what I mean?